This is not a test. The United States has issued a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A nuclear attack is occurring against the United States. 4 nuclear missiles have been launched from 4 known locations and are expected to hit within the next 15-20 minutes. Due to the uncertain nature of these missiles, all United States residents are advised to seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately. If you know of a nearby location that is designated as a safe fallout shelter, go there now. Otherwise, go to a basement or enclosed area. The President will be broadcasting on all stations shortly. Tune into stations providing news for your area. This has been an alert from the Emergency Alert System.